Okay, now in this one, you need to rip this off so that this is separated from the graph paper so that they're side by side. Here's what you're doing. The points A, -1, -1, B, 2, 1, and C, 6, -5 are three vertices of a parallelogram. By the way, parallelograms look like this. The opposite sides are parallel. This side will never touch. This side will never touch. So it gives me three of the vertices, three of the points, and I got to find the vertex of D. So vertex is a coordinate x, y. Okay, so A is -1, -1. So I go left 1, down 1, and label that A. And then B is 2, 1. So go right 2, up 1, and that's B. Now connect them. And then C is 6, -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now again, I'm not going to go this way. Okay. Actually, yeah, you can. Go B to C. Okay. A to B, B to C. Okay, now D's somewhere in here. That should be obvious to look like a parallelogram. Okay. So go back to your B point and figure out how many squares you would have to move straight up or straight down to get to A. Okay? So I think I would have to go down 2. So I'm going to write down 2. And I'd have to go left 3. Okay? Because you see the slopes of parallel lines are the same. Okay? Now go to C and make that movement. Go down 2, left 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's your D point. This is now a parallelogram. So what coordinate is D? Well, it's 1, 2, 3 to the right. And then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So 3, -8 is the coordinate. Again, to figure out your coordinate, you just count 1, 2, 3. Now I'm right above it. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, the point's 2, -1. So again, you're looking for that coordinate of the fourth one. So 2, -1. That's A. Okay. B is 5, -3. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down 1, 2, 3. Okay, and connect A to B. And then C is 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, connect them. Okay, and D somewhere over here, okay, to make the parallelogram, okay? So backtrack your way to B, okay? Now, how many squares vertical do you have to move to A? You'd have to go up 2, okay? So up 2. Again, backtrack. To find D, you got to backtrack to B and then see how do I have to move to get to A, because A, B, and C, D are parallel. So again, up 2 and then left 1, 2, 3. Okay, now go back to C and make that same movement. Okay, up 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is D. That completes our parallelogram. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right and 2 units up. So 4, 2 is the coordinate of the D vertex, I should say. Okay, the points 2, 1, 5, 1, and 5, 6 are three vertices of a parallelogram. Find the vertex of D. So A, 2, 1. 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1. And C, 5, 6. Connect them as you make the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there we are there. And then B to C. Now backtrack it to B. Okay. What do you have to move vertically to get from B to A? You don't have to move up or down at all. Okay. So I'm going to put 0. I have to go left 1, 2, 3. So left 3. Now go up to C. You don't move up or down at all, and you go left 1, 2, 3, and that makes your D. Okay, so D is 2 to the right, so positive 2. and it's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, when I'm finding my coordinates from the middle. Okay. So again, A, B, B, C. Okay. Now to find D, you got to find somewhere where, and then you backtrack it to B and say, okay, how far do I have to move from B to get to A? Up or down, and then left or right. And then do that same movement with your C.